You know, if you're into things that are so cool.
I wish I had more eyes to see these with. I wish I had all the eyes. Pete, c'est magnifique.
And while Pete had wanted the perfect pumpkin, he got something even better. As Bob sometimes says,
you can't always wait for the perfect wave. Sometimes you gotta ride the wave you got.
but don't you think for a second that I forgot all about that broken pumpkin.
Cemetery. I don't wanna live my life again.